Pests can be an unwelcome hassle in any home, leading many people to search for creative and cost-effective solutions to keep them at bay. One unconventional yet surprisingly effective method to deal with pests is using toothpaste. Many homeowners have turned to this affordable and easily accessible product to tackle their pest problems. By understanding how toothpaste affects pests and knowing how to apply it strategically, you can create a pest-free environment in a safe and eco-friendly manner. This video will walk you through the best methods to get rid of pests using toothpaste. 1. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are unwelcome guests in any home, and they can be very hard to get rid of. The best way to rid the home of these unwanted pests is to use natural solutions, and toothpaste is one of those ingredients that can get rid of them. All you need to do is to make bait balls and place them where the cockroaches hang out. The ingredients you are going to need for this natural pesticide mixture is 3 teaspoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 2 to 3 teaspoons of toothpaste, and 3 teaspoons of water, plus a little more as needed to make the dough bait balls. Start by mixing these simple ingredients in a bowl. Then, you will add water to the mixture to make a dough consistency to make the bait balls. Tear pieces off to make bait balls about the size of marbles, and these can be placed around the home where roaches can hide. After they digest them, they will die. 2. Mice. It is true that mice can be poisoned by toothpaste. However, they would have to consume it in large enough quantities. Killing mice with toothpaste, making little balls about the size of a pea, and scattering them about areas where mice have been observed to congregate, is the best way. This is similar to the cockroach method before. If your home does not have many other sources of food readily available for mice, they are more likely to head right for the toothpaste bait balls and eat themselves to death. The following items are required for the execution of this procedure: 4 tablespoons of salted peanuts or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of toothpaste, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is the most effective strategy for killing mice with toothpaste, as the variety of ingredients in the poison balls makes them more tempting to mice. Start by mixing these simple ingredients in a bowl. Then, you will add water to the mixture to make a dough consistency to make the bait balls. Tear pieces off to make bait balls about the size of marbles, and these can be placed around crevices where mice hide. 3. Rats. The 2 common ingredients of toothpaste are sodium fluoride and mint. Sodium fluoride is poisonous to rats, and mint will repel rats as well. Mint is a popular and common rat repellent. Many people suggest growing mint plants around the house to deter rats. Plus, using peppermint oil to repel rats is equally effective. When you need a quick method to repel rats and do not have access to mint plants or oil, take a small quantity of mint toothpaste and plaster it on the rat's entry points. The mint smell will be enough to repulse the rat. The other ingredient in toothpaste, sodium fluoride, can kill rats, but only if it contains a high amount of it and they ingest it. A small quantity of toothpaste will not act as a poison, and the rat will survive. Sodium fluoride is the main constituent of almost all toothpaste. It kills bacteria and other germs in your mouth. However, this sodium fluoride is deadly for small animals like rats. You will require the following items to make rat poison. All of these things might be already in your pantry, thus saving you a trip to the grocery store. You will need 4 tablespoons of crushed salted peanuts or peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of baking powder or baking soda, 2 tablespoons of toothpaste, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Using bait is the best method to lure the rats towards the poison. In this homemade poison, we will use 3 baits: peanuts, flour, and sugar, to ensure that rats eat the toothpaste balls. Combine all ingredients in one medium-size mixing bowl, add a teaspoon of water if required, and make small balls. Place these rat poison balls in the areas with the rat infestation. Put multiple poison balls in one area to ensure that a rat eats enough fluoride. Rats are keen eaters and will eat all the poisonous balls and eventually die within a few days. 4. Garden pest control. The strong aroma of peppermint present in toothpaste is highly disliked by insects, such as ants and spiders. When applied as a barrier, toothpaste creates an unpleasant environment that pests won't dare to cross. Simply draw a circle of pea-sized toothpaste around the plants. This will prevent crawling insects like slugs and snails from crossing over. Ants also find the strong smell of the toothpaste repulsive, and it also keeps them at bay. Finally, choosing the right toothpaste is crucial, especially if you want to make a toothpaste spray against pests. Let's take a closer look at baking soda-based toothpastes. Baking soda is known for its cleansing properties, but it can also affect the pest's exoskeletons. Applying a mixture of baking soda toothpaste and water directly to the pests, or their entry points, can be useful in controlling their infestation. Mint-flavored toothpastes are also effective in repelling pests. Mint acts as a natural repellent for many pests, especially ants and spiders. The strong aroma of mint can deter insects from entering the premises, or repel them if they are already present. Apply a thin layer of mint-flavored toothpaste around the entry points or corners where pests may be lurking, to achieve the desired effect. Finally, here are the best ways to use either mint or baking soda toothpastes against a specific pest. Firstly, ants. Identify the areas where ants are entering your home. Squeeze a small amount of toothpaste along the entry points and windowsills, where ants have been spotted. Spread the toothpaste to create a thin barrier, making it difficult for ants to cross. The mint scent of toothpaste acts as a natural repellent, while the sticky texture blocks their path. Cockroaches can also be deterred by the strong scent of toothpaste. Here's how to use toothpaste as a sprayer to keep them away. Mix equal parts of toothpaste and water in a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well to ensure a smooth consistency. Spray the solution onto surfaces where cockroaches are likely to appear, such as kitchen countertops, cabinets, and cracks or crevices. Repeat the process every few days for the best results. Toothpaste may provide temporary relief from mosquito bites as well. Although it does not repel mosquitoes, it can help to alleviate the itchiness of bites. Follow these simple steps. Clean the mosquito bite area with soap and water. Dab a small amount of toothpaste onto the bite. Rub the toothpaste gently onto the affected area until you feel a cooling sensation. Leave the toothpaste on the bite for about 15 to 20 minutes, then wash it off. The toothpaste's cooling effect may help to soothe the itchiness and reduce inflammation. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using onions. Thanks for watching and bye for now.